Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be making a quick and easy spaghetti with tomatoes and broccolini. This is the perfect dish to start the new year off with. It's so healthy, simple, and delicious. You can choose to use Parmesan cheese or go without. We will be making a simple marinara sauce with little tomatoes, olive oil, and garlic, and then folding in some broccolini. If you've never cooked with broccolini, it's baby broccoli. It's, I think, way better to use than a head of broccoli. There's also broccoli rabe, which can be a little bitter, has a lot of leaves, and a little bit of broccoli. But I found it worked perfect in my minestrone soup. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, I love cooking and sharing recipes. So if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Now let's get back to this delicious recipe. Let's go over all of the ingredients. You'll need broccolini and little tomatoes sliced in half, 3 cloves of garlic, olive oil, and a dash of red pepper flakes. Now simply add your tomatoes. You'll be cooking this on low to medium heat. And just be careful not to burn the garlic in the beginning before you add the tomatoes. Sometimes if you have it too hot, you can burn the garlic. But you want it on medium heat to allow the tomatoes to cook down and create this delicious sauce with the olive oil. When you know that your tomatoes are pretty much done, you want to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then taste your sauce before adding your broccolini. I was amazed. I didn't really use any herbs in this, but it was so good. I guess it's just the garlic and olive oil and tomatoes that make it so delicious. But just wait until you can taste this. You'll be adding in your spaghetti noodles, folding them in, tossing them in the sauce, and creating this beautiful dish. My kids love pasta. They could probably eat it every day. I was really surprised that they loved this. I'm so glad that I filmed this while I was making it, because it is something that I will make again. And if you're trying to incorporate more vegetables in with your pasta, I hope you can try this. This is something easy and it won't weigh you down. It's a perfect lunch or dinner. Thanks again for coming back to my channel, and I will be uploading more recipes in the new year. Until next time, happy cooking.